everyone, welcome back to my channel KGFL Creations. Today I have a Think Pink box. Yes, it arrived. It arrived yesterday and I've been dying to. Yesterday it was too late for me to do a video, so I decided to do it today. Today is Tuesday, June 4th. And this month I am going to take a page out of Izzy's book, Izzy from Dizzy Quilts and Sews. I am going to open this box and I'm going to show it to you. I'm going to do the unboxing, but then I am only going to post the video after I have sewn it. Let me grab my scissors. Let's see which way. This way here. Ooh, it's the same box as last month. Think Pink Sewscription Box. Now let's see what's in here. Oh, I do like to be beside the seaside. Okay. This is the little card. It's nighttime. It's late. Let me put my glasses so I can read what's in the back of this card. Wow, this is pretty. Really, really pretty. Okay, scan this code as usual to see the ebook, the little e-magazine that she has with all the articles and some ideas of what to do with this fabric. This is subscription box number 28, and this month's box contains 3 meters. Oh wow, 3 meters of fabric. Wow, it's a little bit more than the usual 2.5 that we got. Since I have started with this box, it's been always 2.5 meters. There are 4 colorways. That's what it says here. Fabric details can be found in the ebook. So I'll be scanning this as soon as I can. Oh. It's all wrapped up. Put this box in the back. Sometimes I feel so bad about opening this thing because it comes so cute. Let me take off my glasses because the glare is crazy. Okay, Burt's Sea Salt and Malt Vinegar. Potato chips. I will give this to my daughter. She likes potato chips. I am not crazy about potato chips, but she will eat this. She will like it. Yeah, interesting. All right, it says small batch. Okay, that is interesting. I'm trying not to look and see what's actually in here. Oh, there's another little packet here. I need my glasses so I can read this. Hand poured in the Lake District. Fresh botanical citrus. Oh, I can't open it. Oh, it's a candle. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. Ooh, I like this one. Wow, this is really nice. All right, this is cool. This is cool. Anything else in here? There's something in the back here. This is the color. It's a light gray. So I guess this is an indication of the color of the fabric. And let's see. Wow. Wow. Can I say it again? Wow. Look at this. I'm gonna have to put my glasses again so I can see the details of this fabric. Oh, it has little sailboats. Oh, wow, it's a sailboat themed fabric. It's really, really, really gorgeous. And I love the color, very light. This is so soft. I wonder, this is a viscose, it has to be. This is a viscose. Look at this drape, look at this. Wow, amazing, amazing, amazing. Another great fabric. So far, there's only one fabric that I wasn't too crazy about, but I did manage to make something out of it. That was the corduroy fabric. That was 2 boxes ago or 3 boxes ago. Yeah, but this one is really, really cute. Isn't this awesome? Now I'm gonna have to go and show it to my husband and to my daughter. There is something else in the little package. I felt something in the back. Huh. It's a little cross stitch kit. It's a little sailboat with a bunch of different colors. This is adorable. Simply Make craft kits. Wow. And it even comes with the hoop and everything. It's a whole little kit. So cute. Wow. This is a nice box this month. I am happy. I am happy with this box. The only thing I'm not gonna get from here is the little potato chips. My daughter will eat that one. No problem. But everything else is really, really nice. I did show this fabric to my husband, and his first words, wow, that is beautiful. And I do agree with him. It is beautiful. I did not show it to my daughter because she's sleeping already. So now I am going to serge it. My machine is right here. I'm going to serge it. I'm going to put it to wash, and I'm going to decide what I am going to do with it. You're going to see me back in just a little bit with a finished garment. See you in a bit. I am back with my new make. This is a dress. I will add some pictures for you guys to see. I cannot film from top to bottom, so I don't have much space, but I will add some pictures for you guys to see the whole thing. I made the Rhapsody dress, but this dress, it is not for me. Yeah. My daughter, as soon as she saw the fabric, she's like, wow, can I have this fabric? And I'm like, well, yeah, you can have this fabric, because since I have started receiving the Think Pink boxes, she has not claimed any of the fabric. So she did like this one. So I was like, okay, I will let you decide what you want to make with this one. And she asked me to make a Rhapsody dress for her. For now, it is her favorite dress. She really, really likes this dress. I made it with the flutter sleeves. Right here, the flutter sleeves. And it fits really nice with the little tie here. For the shirts that I made for her, the last shirt that I made for her, she asked me to make it without the tie. But since this is a dress, I asked her, do you want the tie or you do not want the tie? And she's like, well, you can keep the tie. So here it is, the little tie. And it's a really, really pretty dress. This fabric was, it is so soft, so soft. It's so really, really nice. I used a Microtex needle, very nice and new Microtex needle, and I used the pins that I had purchased from Cynthia's Fine Fabrics, the extra fine pins. I used those, and those were really, really, really good. Because this video is being posted on a Friday, I am going to make this video as a Friday sews. I know this video is going to be a little bit disjointed because of the beginning of the video It was recorded while I was still in my sewing room. My sewing room was still up. And that was in the beginning. Well, yeah, it was in the beginning of June. And this video was supposed to be posted on a Tuesday, not a Friday. But since I've been delayed on all of my videos and all of my sewing, I have not been able to sew much. This video is being posted on a Friday. So this will be technically a Friday sews. I am recording it today. Today is actually a holiday here in the US. It is 4th of July. It's still early in the morning. I am here in my bedroom. It is nice out today, but the sun is coming in and out. So let's see if this video is going to be any good, because I have no light coming from me, just from the window there. Hopefully it will be good. Now let's talk about what has been going on in the sewing room. I have finished this dress here this week. Actually, I finished it yesterday. And so I'm finished with this one. And as you guys know, last video, on my Tuesday's video, I was talking about the swimsuit pattern from Love Notions, that it was going to drop, and it actually did drop. On the day that I posted my video, the pattern dropped. So I have purchased that pattern. I did go to Joann's. I did purchase the fabric. I purchased a blue swimsuit fabric and the lining. So hopefully this weekend I can make something. I don't think it will be fast enough for me to enjoy the weekend, because I'm still waiting for the elastic to arrive from Amazon, because at Joann's they did not have the 1-inch elastic for the bra top for the bottom here. They did not have it. So I only purchased the, I think I purchased 3/8 of an inch or 1/4 of an inch, one of the two. I don't remember which ones. But I did purchase the thin one, but not the thick one. So the thick one I'm waiting from Amazon, and it's only going to arrive Friday. If it arrives Friday, because of the holiday, I don't know if things will be delayed. So we'll see. But this weekend, I'm hoping to make that. So let's see if next on my next video I can show it to you guys. So now let's talk a little bit about life. The sewing room is going well. Everything is moving along very nicely in there. The Murphy bed is up, and we're still finishing some things in there. Crossing my fingers that this weekend we can finish everything. It is a long weekend, at least for me. Tomorrow, it's Friday. I am not going to work. I took a vacation day for tomorrow, so I'll be home just, you know, trying to help my husband finish everything in there and see if I can have some sewing done too. We'll see. We'll see what happens. That's it. That's all I had for you guys today. I know this video is a bit disjointed. If you like this video, please hit that like button below. If you can also subscribe, it would mean a lot to me. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time I upload a video. I will see you on my next one. Bye.